Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how the Temu coupon bundle works. Let's get started. When you sign up or open the app, Temu often gives you a bundle of coupons, like discounts on your first few orders, free shipping, or money off when you spend a certain amount. You can find these by going to the U tab and tapping on Coupons and Offers. When you shop and add items to your cart, the best coupon from your bundle is automatically applied at checkout. You can also manually choose another coupon if you prefer. Just make sure to use them before they expire. Some are only good for a few days. And that's it. The Temu coupon bundle is super easy to use and can save you a lot of money on clothes, gadgets, home items, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.